Hello, my beautiful ladies. Are you worried about seeing less hair volume when you look into the mirror? Trust me, I know exactly how that feels. I went through the same, struggling with low hair density for almost 3 years, but I'm here to share what worked for me and how I turned it all around. First, let's talk about combing. Combing your hair can feel so relaxing, right? I usually comb mine for 2 to 3 minutes before applying water. This helps stimulate the scalp and get your hair ready for nourishment. Now, after combing, I will show you how to make the oil. So, let's move on to the oil making. Take coconut oil, neem leaves, curry leaves, onion, aloe vera. Cut the aloe veras as I'm showing in the video. Now take onions, curry leaves, neem leaves and grind it. You can use a mixer as well, but I'm just grinding it using this. It's much easier. Now take out the grinded mixture into a bowl. Now take a big bowl, add coconut oil, aloe vera and the mixture. Now what you have to do is keep water on the stove, let it boil nicely. Let the water boil. After that, place the oil mixture onto it in another bowl which you had taken and allow it to boil. Keep stirring it until it boils nicely and the oil turns green. That means the mixture is absorbed into the oil. Now you can filter it and store it in a container as I've shown. Now I will show you how to apply the oil. Comb your hair really well and make sure there are no knots in your hair, and comb it at least for 2-3 minutes so that your hair is stimulated really well. Now take a little bit of oil and massage it gently onto your scalp using your fingertips. Do this for at least 5 minutes. The key is to be soft and gentle as you massage into the scalp and your hair. Why is it important? Well, massaging the scalp helps with hair regrowth by stretching the cells of your hair follicles. Plus, it dilates the blood vessels beneath your skin, improving circulation and promoting healthy hair. Now, I will show you how to do hair steaming therapy. So once you've massaged your scalp well with the oil, we move on to the hair steaming therapy. Grab a hot towel or even a plastic bag and wrap it around your hair. This creates a warm environment for your scalp, opening up the pores and allowing the oil to deeply penetrate into your roots. This simple step boosts scalp health, making it one of the most effective ways to get healthier, thicker hair. Now I will give you some tips for this, routine tips. So apply this oil at least 3 times a week because it really brings out the best results, and this is what exactly I did to my hair to increase my hair volume, and it made a huge difference. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Remember, watching this video isn't enough. You need to take action. Try this routine and let me know your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.